Hello, Milicona. My name is Jean-Pierre Flore Medina, and I am from 11C, and I am going to talk about the isomers. I am going to explain my presentation and make this video to clear the ideas of the isomers. First of all, the isomers, they are a natural phenomena that occurs inside of the natural organic chemistry. They are known by being natural components that affect some elements. Well, first of all, we have to understand one difference inside of the organic chemistry of the isomers. I will explain this. In the chemistry that we know, we have, like, for example, this formula, right? A simple formula with his carbons and when with a number of hydrogens, right? In the chemistry, we can name this as a butane, right? Butane because this formula has four carbons. What is the case that if we want to name this like an isobutane? What will happen? What will change? Well, inside of the structure, it will be a great change, but inside of the number of carbons and hydrogen, there is no change. I will explain this. We can write this as this. And writing this, the other carbon. And there is a difference in the positioning of the carbons, but there is no difference in the number of hydrogens and in the number of carbons. And we can call this as the isobutane. And if we analyze, there is a difference inside the structure. Well, talking about the isomers, we have like three types of isomers. The stereoisomers that they have the same molecular formula, but they have a difference inside of the space of arrangement in the atoms. Well, like this. And we have the geometric isomers. What is the difference between the stereo and the geometric? That the geometric have a difference inside of the space of arrangement of the atoms, but this happens in a double bond. Double bond is this, right? When we want to put two carbons per to pair. And also we have a the the chemistry in the medicine. How we can how we can apply the isomers in the medicine? Well, the isomers in the medicine can happen when we talk about drugs. The isomers sometimes they are used drugs that in some cases can be beneficial in medicine and sometimes these drugs can be prejudicial or harmful to our body and to our system. Well, knowing this, we can conclude the principal difference between the isomers and the common structures of straight line that we know in the normal chemistry, organic chemistry. And we can conclude that the isomers are like the phenomena that occur in the organic chemistry by only changing a simple movement like this, like putting this carbon in this side. And it's not a big change inside of the chemistry, but it's only a change of the viewing type. And knowing this, I guess that you appreciate my presentation, and thank you for watching my video.